Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig in the morning. First, we drew a cuckoo clock on the wall. With a bird coming out of its window. It will be very cute. Now let's draw Peppa Pig in her bed. Let's draw Peppa Pig's eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head, her mouth, and a circle for her cheek, her ears. I draw her body and her arms. She looks scared and surprised. She just woke up to the sound of the alarm. Her teddy bear on her hand. Her tail. Then her pillow. And her blanket. Let's color now. Red, brown, green, red, yellow, orange, pink, purple, red, orange, fuchsia, pink, brown, pink, purple, blue, orange, color the dots yellow, and add a little green to the background. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.